Hey everyone, as you know, Azure certifications validate your cloud expertise and open doors to high demand technical roles. These role based certifications enhance your credibility, boost career growth, and increase earning potential in today's competitive job market. Welcome to our AZ-900 course introduction, where we will guide you through the course overview, audience profile, learning paths, and hands-on labs. This will help you succeed your Azure Fundamentals journey with us. We will cover the course overview and purpose, audience profile, prerequisites, learning paths, and hands-on labs. The purpose of the course is to equip the students with knowledge and skills so that they can start their cloud journey with confidence. This course will provide foundational level knowledge on cloud concepts, core Azure services, and Azure management and governance features and tools. Let's dive into the learning objectives for the students in AZ-900. The course describes the cloud concepts, Azure architectural services, and Azure management and governance. As far as the audience profile is concerned, the audience for this course is IT or non-IT professionals just beginning to learn about the cloud computing and how Microsoft Azure provides that service. This course is suitable for IT personals who are just beginning to work with Azure. There are no prerequisites for taking this course. Familiarity with cloud computing is helpful, but it is not necessary. To pass the certification test, studying the outside of the course may be required, which our expert instructors will guide you throughout their experience of the industry so that you get the industry relevant experience and scenarios to take the exam and pass it in the first attempt. Let's discuss the learning paths. The first learning path in this course is about describing the cloud concepts, which includes the modules and cloud computing fundamentals and the benefits of cloud services and different types of cloud services. The second path, describe Azure architecture and services, delves into the Azure's architectural components, compute and networking services, storage, and security services. The learning path 3 is about describing the cost management in Azure, describing the features and tools in the Azure governance and compliance, describe the features and tools for managing and deploying the Azure resources. This includes the Azure portal and command line interface. Describing the monitoring tools in Azure is the final module in this third learning path. This course comes with hands-on labs where we provide you the industry-like lab environment where you do the practice, which is available 24 into 7. Even after your training, you can practice your labs at your own pace. The lab manuals are up to date and tested. We have different training methods. You can join instructor-led live online to optimize your time, and classroom trainings are also available. If you have a team to train and you want to call our trainers to your own premises, we can provide you the on-site trainings. More details in the description of the video. Thank you.